Hello everyone. In this video, we're going to see what is big data systems and what are the different characteristics and what are the types of big data. So let us see what is big data. So big data is extremely large and complex data that cannot be processed using traditional database tools. For example, if you have one supermarket branch, you have the customer list, bills, stock details and all. So this can be easily be stored in normal databases like MySQL and Excel. But what if you have 1000 plus supermarket branches, online shopping platform, mobile app orders, live payments, customer browsing history, delivery tracking? Here, the data comes from the cash counters, website clicks, mobile apps, sensors, payment systems. So this creates huge volume of data. Okay, so you would have the millions of transactions every day and fast velocity. Is lot of real-time orders would be there, and there are different types of data would come. It could be the text, images, logs, videos. So why normal database fails here? Traditional databases struggle because it cannot handle the massive simultaneous requests, and also it is not designed for real-time streaming data, and it is very hard to scale across multiple servers, and the performance also become very slow for the traditional databases. So what we needed right now, we need the big data systems like Apache Hadoop, Apache Spark. The mainly for our storage purposes and all, they would use the Apache Hadoop, and for fast processing and all, they would use the Apache Spark. So these systems split the data across many machines and process the data in parallel, and it can handle both the real-time data and large-scale data. Next is characteristics of big data. So there are 5 big data characteristics would be there. The first one is that is volume. It refers to the huge amount of data generated. Sometimes the companies like Facebook, YouTube, Google, every day it would generate the terabytes or petabytes of data every day. Second thing is velocity. So velocity refers to the speed at which a data is generated and processed. For example, live stock market updates, WhatsApp messages, online transaction and all. The third thing could be the variety. So variety refers to the types of data. So data comes in different formats. Okay, sometimes it could be structured, semi-structured, unstructured. Next is veracity. Veracity means trustworthiness. So it refers to the quality and accuracy of the data. So not all the data is clean or reliable. Sometimes the data you have collected may contain fake news, duplicate records and missing values. Next is usefulness, that is value. So it refers to how useful the data is for decision making. So raw data is useless unless it gives you some insights. The Netflix recommendation system, it uses your viewing data to suggest the movies to you. Next topic is what are the different types of big data. Here big data types are 3 types, that is structured, semi-structured, unstructured. So what is structured data? Structured data means a data that is organized in a fixed format of rows and columns, making it easy to store, search, analyze using databases. So the structured data is stored using the spreadsheets, databases, desktop DB. If you have a small data, you can go for Excel and Google Sheets. Or if you have some medium kind of data, you can go for the MS Access. If you have very large amount of data, you can go for the databases like MySQL or Oracle. Next is unstructured data. So unstructured data is a data that has no fixed format or organization, and it cannot be stored in rows and columns. For example, images, audios, videos, emails. These are some of the examples of the unstructured data. Next is semi-structured data. Semi-structured data is a data that does not follow a fixed table structure, but still it contains tags or markers to organize information. For example, JSON files and XML files. That's all. Thank you.